So guys, we're here at the hotel hotel La Corona Jalipa, and I have a mask because it's the volcano is eruption. So we're here. Look at this. It's super beautiful. Let's go there and see something yet. Look at this. So that is dirty. There's a car wash poolside. Wow, there's a beautiful. What is that? Oh, maybe it's Jesus. Look at it. See? This is a hotel. And it's very beautiful. And there's a car in here and it's dirty because it's in Italy. Like, Italy is so very hard to go in there. So let's go to the tree. Hey. Let's go here. Let's go there. Let's go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, 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 blah. So this is the trees. And this is the, so no parking. Oh, okay. So this is it, the hotel. And we're gonna go inside and tell to the encounter that we're gonna check in. Look at it. See? And this one is the room. This is the room. So that is the room, and we're gonna go up and up and up.
Is that a trailer?
Yes, I'm videoing. Yes.